Okay, we got our room in Mirage. I'm very excited because we did opt for the upgrade, and the most exciting part is, like, if you've seen any of the other Mirage videos, you know that the bathroom is really small. So this bathroom, I'm very excited about this mirror, got double sinks, makeup mirror, another sink. This one comes with the tub and shower combo, so that's really nice. And I'm not sure what this room is called, like if it's a suite or volcano view, is that what they said? So it looks like you have some closet doors over here. Yes, and an ironing board, and there's one on each side. One on the other side there. You have a little bar area, you make your drinks, TV, mini fridge. As you know, because of COVID, they've removed all the mini items. And there's one chair. Oh, the safe, if anyone's wondering, it does come with the safe, a nightstand, and so she recommended this room for the view, which I am so glad she did, because look at this. You can see the whole south end of the strip. You also have the volcano show. We're gonna have a great view of that. So I'm excited to show you guys what this looks like at night. You can even see into the little rainforest thing. How exciting.
The downgraded maps too.
They only gave us one map?
Oh, there's two, but they're like the paper.
Oh, I was like, that's a bummer. So yeah, these ones do look different from the ones we got at Aria. We brought our own, but sometimes I like to use those because they make our mask smell from all the smoke. And they give you some hand sanitizer.
Touchscreen
oh, and we didn't get a touchscreen thing. Come on, Mirage. You're slacking. Alright, well, we need to get unpacked, and it is time to have a drink.